Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if your iPhone is stuck on iPhone lock to owner. This iPhone was lost and erased. Activation lock prevents anyone who is not the owner from using this iPhone. So if you have just restored your iPhone or updated your iPhone or factory default or stuck on lock to owner error, I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So let's get start the video. Before we start the video guys, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. The first is you have to enter the passcode, and the second is you have to enter your Apple ID. So if these both method are not working, then let me show you the third method to just fix this problem. So you need another device in order to remove this iPhone lock to owner error. So in my case, I'm using this another iPhone. So you can use your Android device or iPhone or iPad, or even you can use computer. Now once you have another iPhone in your hand, then simply go to Safari browser and then go to iCloud.com, right? And you have to log in the same Apple ID that you are using on this iPhone during the restore. After this, click on this menu, then you will get this find my phone. So also as you can see, my iPhone is stuck on locked owner, and here you will see the devices. So as you can see, here is iPhone that is erased, stuck on iPhone locked owner. You can simply just click on remove from account, click on remove, enter your Apple ID password to confirm, then simply click on remove device. So once it's removed, now you don't need this device. Now what you're gonna do, you have to go back and then click on next again 2 to 3 times. You can just go back and click on next. Now guys, as you can see, without iPhone lock to enter error, we have just successfully removed it. Now you can just do the simply setup of your iPhone. Now just let me do the setup completely to show you that it's completely removed from iPhone. Now you can use your iPhone as usual normally. So here we go. So hope this video helps you guys. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.